Okay. So there are a few more programs, okay? We need to find out the sum of array elements. How can you find the sum of array elements? So how can you do a sum of array elements? Can you use the logic?
Can declare a variable as sum, and in each loop we can add element to that sum.
So in the loop, each element you can add for some variable, right? That's the process. Same, you can try that one, okay? That is the one, and average of array elements. Another program, average of array elements. Both programs, you can try it out. So these two programs you can note down. And one more thing is, so you need to search a given element is present in the array or not. Let me write this. Search array elements. Search given element is present in the array or not. If not present, you can just return false. If it is present, return true. So your method should return a Boolean value. Search array element. So from the array, I need to give an array as an input. In that, so int k, the element. So which element you want to perform a search. So that element, you can check it. And just SYSO. Array elements. Arrays dot to string and number. And so if you want to iterate, you iterate the array, okay? So we can declare one Boolean value is available. So I'll make it false, okay? I'll make it false. Is available. So I'm assuming that it's not there. Now iterate the array. So int I equal to 0, I less than num dot length and I plus plus. So I'm iterating all the elements. I need to check now. So this k element is present or not. So if it is present, return true. If not, return false. If so, num of I is equal to k, then what you need to do? Return or make is available to first true is available equal to true. You assign the is available value to true. Return is available. Okay. Else return you don't need this one automatically. It will, here only can tell is available directly. If it is not available, automatically it will be false. We assigned already false, right? you will get a false. So that's how you can search an element in the given array. Okay, any questions here? So let's call that. So I'll call in the print statement. So what is that? Search, right? Search array element. Random array. I'm giving maybe 5. So you can just run this program. False. So it's not there. That's the thing. And if you want to check, try one more, okay? Maybe instead of this, I'll just put max element so that it will be available, right? So that max element. See, now it is 87 is present in the array. True. You got a true. So like that, you can check these elements which are present or not. Any questions? Okay. So next program is very important program. We need a lot of programs are there. It's all you need to practice. So we already seen max element, minimal element, duplicate elements. We have seen, and also we have seen reverse array in place, generating random array. We have seen searching the element, and all this we have seen already, right? And so we need to sorting also. We have done a couple of things. So we need to so write a program to left rotate the array elements. So left rotate the elements of an array. So what you need to do here is we need to rotate the elements of array towards left side by you will specify some number of positions you want to shift towards left or towards right. Two programs are here. So you rotate the array elements, left rotate and right rotate is there. So that means you are moving the elements. So shifting the elements. So that's what you need to understand. First, you have to create an array. Okay. So let's take an input array. And then and take how many positions you want to left rotate. So declare one temporary variable to hold the first element of the input array. First, copy the first element of input array into temporary variable. Then shift all elements one position towards left, right? One position left. So once you shift them, copy back a temporary variable into input array. So that's what we need to do. And for this, we need two variables. Two variables we need. So we'll do all this. Let's practice one by one. Okay. LeftRotate and RightRotate programs. Today we'll finish all the array programs. The remaining we'll do later. So public void LeftRotate. So you have to give an input array int. So array and int k. So k means the number of positions. How many positions you want to iterate. So that's what so number of positions you want to shift towards left side. So that's what we are going to do. Let's do this. First, if you want, print the array elements before shifting. So before LeftRotate arrays. So arrays dot toString. So number. I'm just printing the array elements in a string format. So next. Take one so int position, okay, one temporary variable. I'll take a first element. I'm taking first element into this variable. So that's why I declared one first variable. Initially, if you want, you can keep it. Otherwise, I'm going to assign that in the for loop inside. So iterate, okay, iterate the so array k times, okay, iterate the array k times. So for int I equal to 0, I less than k, and I plus plus. Then first, first element, right? First element, how to assign? You can assign the first element num of, so I, num of I or num of 0, whatever it is, you can put it. So num of 0, I'm keeping. So then you need to shift the elements, right? You need to shift the element, take one more for loop. So in this for loop only, take another for loop to shift the elements. So I want to shift. So how can you shift that? Int j equal to 0, j less than num dot length minus 1 and j plus plus. So what we need to do is shifting. So shifting num of, so j equal to, so what you need to do, the right side element you need to assign to left side one, right? That's a left shifting towards left. So that means num of j plus 1. So the next element you are assigning to previous element. That's how it will move towards left side, right? So that's moving towards left side. And after this, you can assign that first element, whatever the first element, to the last position. so that it will move on. Okay, so I'll move. So let's move this. Num of last element. How can you get the last element? Array of array dot length -1 is equal to first. That's it. So this is the whole program, how you can iterate now. So you can just print the array after left rotate. After left rotate, so arrays. So now let's so and the positions I will give three positions. I am just left rotating. So if you execute in debug mode, you will understand very carefully how that is moving up, all those things. Let's see this. See this before, this is the left rotate array is 5, 42, 71, 72, 92, 94. Now, see three positions, right? We are given three. So three positions, these three are moved left side. So it came to here and came to left, then it came, and these are went to that side. See this moved towards three positions after, and this went to next, and this went to next. So the elements, so which are moving towards left side. Same you can do right rotate. So right rotate, basically you have to start from the last element. Okay, so last element onwards you have to start it. So let's do that also. If you want, keep running that in the debug mode so that you will get a better idea how it is moving up, all those things. Another very important one is right rotate. Public void right rotate.
Ramesh, one small thing.
Yeah.
So, one small. So, in the line 197, so in the line 195, we are giving the, we are changing the, we are moving the position to +1, right? In the line number 195.
Okay.
We are assigning num of 0 to num of 1. Right? So, then again, what is the need of writing 197? It's only for the last element, right?
This element, first element, right? This one, first element, you have to put it in the last place, right? It has to go that side. That will repeat for every time the element will change. If you run in mode only, you can understand this. This is a bit complicated. So if you run in debug mode, let's run in debug mode, okay? So to get a better idea.
Just writing the last element to first, that is the intention of writing 197, line number 197, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So every time,
fine.
let's run in debug mode, okay? Okay, I'm here. Okay, fine. We'll run. Only I'll run that program in debug mode. Not all. So we need a random array. Without random array, it's not possible. Remaining, I'll comment out. Control shift to forward slash. Oh, it's not working. That's what the problem. Okay, it worked. So yeah, now I'm running this one only, debug mode. Wait, oh, it completed. All right. Oh, it's not stopping. Too much. Yeah. So it came. So printed. Then move on next. So first variable value is nothing, right? It is just k is 3. Okay, we have given 3. And see num of, so what is happening here? The 6, the values, whatever it is there. This 12, right? Yeah, 12. So it is 12. So total size is 6. That's what it is saying. So here, so 12, first one. Next. See, first value is 12 and this one. Now, j equal to 0, 0 less than 6 or 5. So 0 less than 5. So it is true. And num of, so first 0, j0. So num of 0 means 0 plus, it's a, so this j plus 1 means j value currently 0, 0 plus 1, 1. So 1 value, that is, so now see what is this one. If you want to know, so you can put here and it will show what value is there. Then keep moving and j equal to 1. So num of 1, again, it went up, it's coming down. See, it become false here and jump to here. So now first value we are assigning to this one. Now if you want to see your array, you can mouse over now. See, this is the order. So what is your array? 0, 33 now. 33, 3, 89, 5, 0, 0, 12. See now before first element 12, now it will assign to last position. Can you see here? It went to last. Now next time the array of 0 is 33, not 12. Okay. So like that it will keep moving. So one by one it is keep moving. Are you getting? So the position. Yeah. So now before this was not the array. One iteration after the array changed to this 33, 3, 89, 50. First one is 12, 33, 3, 89, 50, 0. But now it changed. So in the next iteration, see what it is going to change now. So I equal to 1. And so only how many iterations it will run? 3 iterations. Already, so one is done, second one is going on now. See now all it is moving one by one. So it came here. Now, so if you see the array, see now first value now 3. And that 3 went to last. So that means these are moving. So the elements moving towards left. So these elements moving towards left, and these elements moving this side. Okay, so that's the, so last elements moving no, towards, so this side. So again, go up 3, last one, last iteration. See now, so it is 89, 50, 0, 12, 33, 3. Again, move on. So that's it, done. So this is how your array is going to print. So moving all of them, these 3 should move to here. That's what the left side it moved 3 positions. So from here to 3 position means 1, 2, 3. So it moved to 3 positions. Okay, so that is the how the left rotate, and so now you need to move right rotation. Right rotation means left elements you have to move towards right side. That means what you need to do, you start with a last element and reduce one by one. So that's it. So let's do this quickly.
So, Ramesh, if we interchange 195 line of code and 197, won't it work?
No, it won't work.
The,
No,
No?
it won't work. Why you want to exchange?
no, I mean to say for
I think he's
printing right
talking
rotate.
about the right rotate, I think.
This
Yeah,
one,
yeah, I'm talking about
oh,
right
you're
rotate.
talking, no. So that won't work. So
No,
because
no,
you
no,
have to
right?
start with here itself, basically, the last element onwards you need to start. First, initially, this one is same number of iterations, same. This inner for loop, you have to start with the last element onwards. And you reduce. So the element you know assigning the value, the always j minus 1 you do. So here plus, right? You do j minus 1 for this. So that will move towards right. Same code, but a little bit inner for loop only change will come. But here it will be a last element. Here you need to take a last element. That's the only change. So let's do that. Take the last element. So I'll just print before right rotate. Arrays dot toString num. So take int last element for int I equal to 0, or you can start with 1 because the last element, right? So 1 and I less than or equal to. So I'm just taking 0 also you can take less than or equal to k and I plus plus. So then take the last element. How can you take a last element? Num of num
Array length minus.
length minus 1. That's it. And then take inner for loop for, so into j equal to, so num dot length